Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use the JustFit app. In order to do so, here we are on the App Store, and what you're looking for can be found by just typing in JustFit, and you'll find the lazy workout here. Once you have that installed, we'll go ahead and open that up, and we'll go ahead and go through the steps here to get started. So we're going to get asked a couple of plans here. What motivates you the most? Get shaped. What's your main goal? And this is primarily for the ladies. Let's see, but we can just go ahead and we'll say build fit. Let's see. Toned arms, flat belly, round butt, slim legs, full body slimming. Let's see. Let's go with full body slimming. Okay, that takes care of all the categories. And what's your height? We'll just leave it at that. I'm not going to put my height in there. And what's your current weight? Let's go ahead and go with pounds here. Sounds good. We'll just stay with that. What's your goal weight? Saying 160, but we're at 150. So let's just go down to 140. We'll just say that. And let's see, we've got to choose our body type. So if I was going to choose something here, we'll just, let's see here. We'll go with that. We'll just keep it there as it is. What's your desired body type? That looks good. Okay, so according to this, predicting that we can lose about 10 pounds by July 6th. Though that's not too bad. Go ahead and go next. So now it's asking for our gender. So it's interesting that it didn't say that before, but we'll go ahead and we'll say male. So this is for the men as well. And we'll just go next there. Oh, look at that. On the yoga mat or on the couch in bed? I think on the couch in bed sounds like a great place to work out. Choose your preferred workout type. Let's see. Let's just say no preference. Hopefully that covers all the different categories there. Choose your preferred level of workouts. And we'll go ahead and say somewhat challenging. How long do you want to spend on each workout? I'd say 20 to 30 minutes. Have you ever suffered any injuries in these areas? Lower back, unfortunately. Okay, so this is changing a little bit. I mean, we did put in that we're male, so it's doesn't seem to be changing that up too much, but we'll just keep going through the steps here. And this is just to give you an idea of how you can use this for yourself. We'll say moderately active. And we'll say intermediate. And we'll go next. Seated forward bend. I can easily touch my feet. How do you feel after climbing stairs? We'll say somewhat tired. Lazy people just like me. That's great. We'll go next. After reaching your goal weight, how would you reward yourself? We'll say buying new clothes. Believe in myself. I do. Sure. Yes. Okay, so it's creating our personal plan. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get my plan. And we can begin with the 7-day trial. So that gives you an idea of how you can use the JustFit app, how you can get started. And then from there, you are looking at a subscription of $24.99 a month. It does give you a trial to give it a shot there for 7 days, but that should get you started. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.